Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Meaty, cheesy, hash brown waffle is on our menu today. Alright, we're back with something good. Today we are here with a cheesy potato waffle. So I'm going to put meat in this one too. So now, I'm going to tell you in the beginning, I want you to take a look at all of the seasonings that we have. So we've got a teaspoon of seasoned salt, a teaspoon of onion pepper. We've got a teaspoon of dried parsley, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and we've got a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is going to work for us. Now what we're going to do here is we got an egg, we got some bacon, some sausage, so some chopped sausage. Any kind of sausage you have is fine. You're going to do about a tablespoon of green onion, and you're going to leave some of it for garnish. And you're going to do 2 cups of cheese. Choose the types of cheese that you like. All right, so what we are going to do is we're going to get everything mixed up into the potatoes. So listen, you're going to get the egg in there. You're going to get all of the cheese, both cups of cheese. You're going to put about half of these green onions. All right, so you're going to eyeball the amount of bacon and sausage that you want. You're going to get that in there. All right, so I got this chopped kind of fine, kind of tiny. Now what you're going to do is get it mixed up. So you're going to get this mixed up thoroughly. All right, so once this is mixed up thoroughly, I'm going to come back with the waffle iron hot, and we're going to get ready to cook. All right, so what I didn't realize right here is that I'm going to spray this with nonstick spray, and then I'm going to set the can in front of the camera. Okay, well, what you need to do right here is you need to put about a half a cup of this mix in here, and then you need to press it down in there and close the waffle iron. That's it. That's all. All right, so here we are. My light turned green. Here we are. 3 to 5 minutes later. Check that out, everybody. Check that out. So I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to see. Look at that. So it's going up just like your waffles do. Look at that. That's a beauty. Turn that over. Yeah, see? That's nice. All right, so I'm going to put it on a plate. I'm going to come right back. This is what it looks like close up. These are so darn good. Y'all, go make these. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.